Alright guys, what is up? We're back. We're out here in Florida with the old Grom and that boy Francisco who made it. Yeah guys, we at a house. We're about to go ride. I need to go ahead and detail the Grom real good. I need to give you guys a little tour of this house. Look at this. We got a jacuzzi right there. Pool table right there. And that living room and all that. Pretty nice house, but back to the point that we're gonna go ahead and try to detail these Groms because my thing is looking crazy dirty right now. Leave it in the comments below and let me know what you guys think about, you know, us going out here and all that stuff. So I don't know. Just leave a warmer note right there, guys. Come on, man. Fredo and them just went to go ahead and wash their cars already. Huh? Yeah, look at that boy. That boy. Good. Hey, this is the first time they're gonna see your Grom, bro. It's the first time. I know, that's what I'm saying. And I'm rocking new merch. Alright guys, I'll pick you guys up in just in the next clip, right? Let me go ahead and air her up, guys, so we can get her through the door, because the actual back is actually locked, so we're gonna have to go ahead and turn it out. Alright, so we kind of like aired out the Grom right in the living room. Look at this. God. I ain't never seen nothing like this done before. I'm gonna go ahead and upload this on my Instagram, alright? God, that boy Joey. That boy Joey. I can't believe you got a Grom, Joey, but alright, I'm gonna go ahead and post this on Instagram. Guys, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, you guys are missing out. It's blessed_engine. Let's get it. Let's get it. I'm gonna go ahead and post this. Go like it up. Don't forget to like it. And don't forget to follow. Alright? I know, right? God, guys. She's slammed. I'm gonna see if I take these pictures off. These stickers off. I'm gonna probably leave that one there. Probably needs to be there. But I'm gonna take this one off. I'm trying to make it look pretty today, guys. We're gonna wash her out real good. We out here, bro. Like, guys, this is my first time in Florida, so mine, like, excuse me if I'm like really excited, because I'm like super hyped just being out here. I ain't never seen a palm tree. Like, that shit is crazy. But we out here with Joey. That boy Joey. Alright, let's get it, guys. I'll pick you guys up in the next clip. We might be rolling down to like Dunkin' Donuts or something, but we'll get it. We'll get it. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification, guys. God. This camera. Hey, look. There boy Joey. I'm about to zoom into his face. Look, Carter. We out here in Florida. That boy got the Dunkin'. That boy got the Dunkin' all day. Review on Florida. What's your review on Florida's Dunkin'?
You are avoiding personal space.
I had to. Alright, we about to enter this place right here. Oh, we need a mask. Put your mask on.
This is for the mom. Oh, yeah.
Yes, for mom.
But either way, still quite far.
Yeah, let's get it. Let's get it. Joey, you need a battery for your joint? All right, show them all we got. So we got that decon. All right, we get the citrus.
Yep. Yes. Bleach
Fire
Star.
bleach.
Tire Sean.
Alright guys, so we're gonna actually go ahead and head over to a car wash, like a self car wash type thing, so I can go ahead and wash it up, make it look pretty. I'll pick you guys right up in the next clip, okay? Alright boys, we got the old Grom through here. We're about to go ahead and wash her up, make it look pretty. Make it look pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys down for a little like time lapse. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Don't mind my hair, like I said before. Ooh, she looks way cleaner, guys. Looks crazy. Some of that tire shine on there, boy. We're about to put some on the knobbies too, make it look real good. Look at that. Alright guys, so we cleaned her up. Damn. We out here. We cleaned her up real good. She's looking crazy right now. Tire shine and all. I don't know if you guys can see it, but she has like a little pearl to her. Oh, you guys can tell a little bit right there. She has like a little sparkle going on, but she's clean. She's back. Ah. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and take some pictures. So I'll pick you guys up in just a bit. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get to the spot, and then we're gonna go ahead and take some pictures for Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, guys. All right, well, we out here with the bag Grom. And then we got the stock Grom, but you know the vibes. Yeah, guys, so we're actually at, I'm not 100% sure what park this is, but somewhere in Orlando, Florida. This is Fredo's whip. You can air it out too. He ain't static, guys, he's back. I'll show you guys a little bit more of it whenever, you know, whenever he actually airs it out or tries to take pictures.
Stay out here fresh.
Exactly. These cars are like, what the fuck?
Freddie, I'm vlogging. Come on now. Check the vibes. Fronty Media, boy. Come on, man. Check them out. Oh, jeez. Y'all just raced? Oh. So I'd say, damn, I missed it.
What is
Hey, Orlando, get low. Come on now. Get low or get lost. Get low or get lost, Fredo. Tell him. Get low or get lost. If you're not low, what are you doing? He yanking on that bitch. That's what I said, bro. I'm gonna get me one and get me like a little fat ass tire to put on it. You're racing down there.
Came out here for a little shoot, guys. Carly, you making that magic happen? Go follow her Instagram. Guys, look at this view. goddamn Katy Perry. We got Hannah Montana. This is crazy. This is Orlando for you guys. Where we coming from, Joey? Tell them. Where we coming from?
G-Town.
We come from North Kakalaki. You know the vibe. Let me put my hat on. I need to put my hat on for real. But yeah, guys, we're gonna make it happen. Like this trip is pretty fun so far. Like we've just been riding around the whole time. We haven't even got to the pre-meet of like the actual show, so that's gonna be pretty nice. I'll pick you guys up whenever we're there. But I just wanted to give you like a little glance of what's going on throughout the day. Right now, we went to go wash her. We're doing like a little photo shoot, making sure everything's clean, and then we'll be late. I'll pick you guys up in the next clip, right? Take it easy. Guys, look at the Gromsters. Bag of Grom made it to Orlando, made it to Florida. Look at this big ass wheel. Oh my god. It looks way bigger in camera. It looks way bigger on camera. That's us. That's us right there. We shooting right now. We shooting Jay's car. Sweet. Nice F30. Nice F30.
9K for the car.
Y'all heard it, boys.
For the car.
Y'all heard it. Y'all heard it. It's for sale. It was at the meet. It was at the meet.
He doesn't give me right. I'm about to start the channel.
Oh, we need to. We need to start the channel. For real. Oof. Oh, his shit bumping.
She's static?
She's static.
What?
That's static. Every other night, so I do what it did.
We're gonna go over to the
Where?
right here at the
That's where he ate it?
no the handicap parking spot.
What are you talking about, Carlos? We have no idea.
Don't even try for the camera.
We don't even have any idea what you're saying.
Bro, I couldn't think of the name. The handicap parking.
We out here. Hey, check my story out on Instagram. Go follow me. _Inch.